Welcome everyone. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically hide your taskbar in Windows for a cleaner, more spacious desktop. To get started, simply move your mouse down to the taskbar, right-click on it, and then select Taskbar Settings from the menu that appears. Now, in the Settings window, scroll down a bit until you see the Taskbar Behavior section and click on it to expand the options. Automatically hide the taskbar. Just click the checkbox next to it to enable this feature. As you can see, the taskbar now disappears. When you move your cursor to the bottom of the screen, it smoothly reappears, giving you access to all your apps. Let's open and close a couple of applications to see it in action. It works seamlessly with any program you're using. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.